Here's how to set the temperature. First, turn the unit on. That brings it to standby where you see the buttons on the right. There's a row of 6 blue buttons. I'll go one more. So it's 2 touches. And now I'm seeing the top temperature is the water temperature. Bottom is the set temperature. If you want to change the set temperature, you could do so by activating it when it flashes and then moving it down. If you're happy with that setting, then you would exit and save by pressing power twice. So again, I'll go back into it. Power standby, power on. Now I'm going to raise the temperature up to 125. And I'm going to set the temperature. And it's good. Now if I want to change settings or find the parameters, here's how to do it. So I'll just go back out. First thing you do is press the power button. Power button once. We get this row of blue buttons. Setting button, bottom, press it once and it gives you P01. That's the set temperature, 125 degrees. Pressing the arrow up, P02. These are in degrees Fahrenheit. P03 is 0, but it's not a degrees, it's just a setting on or off. P04, P05, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There's a possibility of others, 11 and 12, but if your unit doesn't have 11 and 12, it just goes back to 1. So we'll just see that again. I'll go from P10 to P1, just going around the circle, so to speak. And we didn't change anything, but if I wanted to change P01 here, well, let me say I wanted to change P02, and I wanted to change the temperature that this comes on at. So then I would press settings again, and it makes the bottom number flash, and when it's flashing, that's when you can set it. You can change it to 9 or 8 or 7. So in this case, I'm going to leave it, I'm going to increase it a little bit. I'm going to have it at 12. And I'm happy with that. So to exit, I will save that setting. It's 12 degrees. And I'll exit. And we're good. So to change modes, you should be in this position where you can see the numbers. And then just press the mode button. And you'll see there's 5 icons along the top. The first one is heat pump mode. And this is heat pump only, there's no electric element. Next one is only electric element. You'd use this perhaps if the heat pump were down for service, or maybe you want to compare the difference between heat pump and electric. Now, hybrid is the typical winter setting. This is where you would have a blend of heat pump first, and as long as it operates, that's fine. And under different settings, the electric element will come in and boost. So hybrid is popular in December and January, but not so much in any of the shoulder, and definitely not the spring. Power refers to everything's on. The heat pump and the electric element, they can all work, and that's for maximum recovery. Be a case if you had tremendous loads, like a lot of visitors, and everyone to have a shower at the same time. The last mode is called vacation, and that's where you want to just maintain a minimal temperature while you're away. This is perhaps popular in a resort town like Whistler, where people may be away for a week or two, and they want to not waste much energy. Or some seasonal properties where they're away for months and months, then that would use the least amount of energy. So we've gone through all those modes, and I'll exit